Welcome to channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on Snapchat app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Snapchat app, then tap on your profile. After that, if you tap on settings and scroll down, you can't find any kind of option with dark mode because Snapchat don't have that kind of options right now, but maybe they will add in future. So if you really want to get a dark mode on your Snapchat app, then you just have to tap on your phone settings and then you just have to tap on display and brightness. You can turn on your mobile's dark mode. In that way you can get dark mode on your Snapchat app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day to videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.